today we are going to make our stir-fry chicken breast. Okay? A garlic. The garlic. Hindi makita. Dapat ala siya. Ilagay natin yung ating red onion. Our tomato. Now I'm going to add our marinated chicken breast that I sliced. Cover up for a while. Lagyan natin ng half a cup of hot water, guys. Para a little bit tender yung breast natin. Lunch namin ito. This is our lunch time. I will add our chili and bell pepper. Those slices that I blanched already. And I will add also our broccoli. Stir-fried chicken breast with broccoli and some other veggies. Yan lang, guys. Yun lang. Yung chicken natin, guys. Promise. Yung stir-fried chicken natin. That's our finished product. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye. Oh my God, guys. Now, guys, we are going to sentence our cake. Okay. Sentence our cake. Dang, dang. Down. This one?
Mm-hmm.
So it is good to look at in the...
Wow.
At the end
Munchy.
of the storm, there is wow. Where's mine?
Another one.
That's very yummy, guys. This is cream butter cheese. That's it. Off me.
And it's all for
That dog.
that dog.
Happy birthday, Bella.